Let us make some homemade, soft, and fluffy burger bread with some chickpeas, carrots, and oatmeal burger as well. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. This is Vivian Recipe. Thank you for stopping by. If you love what we do here, please kindly subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that you will be getting our updates whenever we drop a video. To all our returning subscribers, thank you and God bless you all so much. So in today's video, I will be walking you through how I make this softing, fluffy, homemade burger bread with veggies burger. Yes, so just follow this video step by step, and at the end of it, we would like to hear your comments, guys. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. Enjoy. So I'm going to fry the veggies burger just for a few minutes. This is ready. We'll repeat the same process. So this is also ready. This is the last one. That is ready. So the next step is to start the process of making our homemade burger bread. So in this bowl, I added all-purpose flour. I added powder milk, just 2 spoons of powder milk. So I will also be adding, after mixing, I will be adding salt, okay, then bread is as well. This is 1 packet of bread, which is that kind 7 grams. So I will go ahead and start adding water bit by bit while I mix. So I also added a pinch of olive oil. So I'm going to transfer it to the surface so that I can stretch it well. You see the way it's sticking to my hand. So once it's well stretched, you will see that the dough will be, it will stop sticking. Yeah, you look at it there. Ready. I'm going to cover this for 30 minutes, and this was 30 minutes later. So this was 30 minutes later, so it's time to, to roll out our burger breads. So I'm going to divide the bowl into 5. I try to make it into 5 equal parts. Okay, so like so, I'm just going to roll it out like ball, like so. I will repeat same process with the rest. So this is yolk egg with Greek yogurt. So I will just mix that. So I will repeat same process. So I'm adding some sesame seed. So after that, then we'll bake. So it's out from the oven, looking yummy. As you can see, it's looking yummy. Look how soft and fluffy it is. So this is avocado with a little bit of lime and little bit of Greek yogurt. So I use that as burger dressing. Okay, so I just place my veggies burger, some roasted onions. This is chicken hamburger as well. So I added some cucumber, roasted cucumber, and that is it. We have our homemade hamburger. Please leave your comment. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Share this video and also subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. God bless you. See you soon in another video. Remain blessed and stay tuned. Bye guys.